Alright y'all, this is our kitchen shenanigans while I'm cooking. Serenity has to eat a lemon without making a face. So get it all out your system.
Alright,
you ready? 3, 2, 1. I see you twitching.
I didn't do it.
Ah!
I'm gonna finish it though.
Go ahead, finish it. How does it feel?
I did it for a second without making a face.
Yeah, you did it for a second. Get that citrus in your body. Help you speed up your metabolism for this. Period.